Today, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Cash App balance to your bank account or debit card using the instant transfer method. Start by opening Cash App and tapping your balance icon in the bottom left corner. Then select Cash Out. Use the slider to choose how much money you want to withdraw. You can cash out a portion or your full balance. Once you pick the amount, you'll see two options: standard transfer, which is free but takes a few days, or instant transfer, which sends the money to your debit card immediately for a small fee. For example, transferring some dollars, so you'll receive it instantly. If you don't have a debit card link yet, you'll be prompted to add one by entering your card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Once confirmed, your funds will instantly appear in your bank account and your Cash App balance will update to zero. And that's it. Quick, easy, and done. Be sure to watch the rest of the Cash App series for more tips on sending money, buying Bitcoin, and using Cash App like a pro.